Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the step-by-step process for filing a US student visa. If you are dreaming of studying in the US, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. The first step in the US student visa process is to apply to US universities. Once you receive an acceptance letter, the university will send you an important document called the I-20, which is required for your visa application. You will also need to submit your financials to the university to show that you have enough funds to cover your education and living expenses. Once you have your I-20, the next step is you will need to fill out the DS-160 form, which is the application form for a US visa. However, we recommend filling out only the basic information in the DS-160 form initially, as the location for your visa interview can only be decided once you book your visa slot. After paying the visa application fee, you can then book your visa slot, which is the date and time for your visa interview at the US Embassy or consulate in your country. Once you have booked your visa slot, you will need to complete the DS-160 form with all the required information, including your visa interview location, and submit it online. Make sure to double-check all your details before submitting. It's important to note that you should pay your SEVIS fee at least 2 weeks prior to your visa appointment, or else it may be difficult to reflect that amount in your SEVIS portal, which could delay your visa process. Finally, don't forget to bring all the necessary documents, including your I-20 DS-160 confirmation receipt, SEVIS fee payment receipt, visa application fee payment receipt, and your passport to your visa interview. And that's it. Following these steps will help you successfully file your US student visa application. Remember to plan ahead, pay your fees on time, and be well prepared for your visa interview. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance with your US student visa application, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your US student visa application and have a fantastic day.